Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you about screw gauge, or what you can say it as micrometer. In micrometer there are various parts. Today I will show you what are the various parts of a micrometer. After that I will show you how to measure with a micrometer, and sometimes it is also called as screw gauge. Right now this is our micrometer, or what you call it as screw gauge. Now I am going to show you what are the various parts of it. After that I am going to tell you how to measure with this instrument. This instrument is generally used to measure the diameter or length of any object. You see, this is the screw gauge. First of all, I will tell you about the instrument. You can see here that there are various parts of this instrument. You see here, if we rotate this one, the various parts, what you say is, I am showing you what are the various parts. You see, this is the metal frame. It is 25 into 1 by 100 millimeter. What is the meaning of this one? That is, this linear scale is 25 millimeter, right? And 100 divisions means this is a circular scale. There are two scale in this micrometer or screw gauge. One is linear scale, another one is a circular scale. This is the circular scale, this is the linear scale. In linear scale the measurement is 25 millimeter, and you can see that in circular scale there are 100 division. If you see here, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, 100. That is 100 divisions are on the circular scale, right? Now you see that what are the various parts of the screw gauge or micrometer. You can see here the various parts are: number 1, you can see here, this is the part of, these are the various parts you can see from here. You see here, this is the end wheel. You see here, this is the end wheel. I am saying in this way. This is the end wheel part. This is what we call it as spindle, right? This is the spindle, right? And this is the metallic frame. You can see this is the linear scale. This is the circular scale, right? And this one, what we call is knurling. KNURLING, knurling, and this one is what we say ratchet, right? Now you see, if we move this one, if we rotate this one, in one rotate how many points it is going forward, right? That I am going to show you. Now you see here that if I rotate this one, suppose I am rotating from 0, you see here, rotating from 0, right? And if we make it one round from 0 to 100, you see here, that is, it is going 1 millimeter of the main scale. You see here, again I am telling, this is 0, right? Now you see it is at the number 15, right? Now if you rotate one full rotation, how much it goes, that I am going to show you, right? You see here, see once again, see here, this is 0, right? And after that, if I rotate this one 100 division, it will go, how much it is going, you see here, 100. That means one linear scale it is going. One linear scale means it is 1 millimeter. You can see here, that is 0 to 5, there are 5 divisions. That means one division is equal to 1 millimeter, right? And I already told you, in linear scale there are 25 milliliter, and the number of division is 100. Now I am going to show you how to measure with this screw gauge, right? I will show you how to measure with this screw gauge. You see here, this is 25 into 1 and to 100. What is the meaning? 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter means in this linear scale has 25 divisions, and this one, the circular scale, has 100 divisions. Now I am going to show you how to measure with the help of this screw gauge, and sometimes we call it also as micrometer, right? Now we say how we can measure with the help of this screw gauge. Before that, I I already told you the various parts. This is the anvil part, this is the spindle, this is linear scale, this is circular scale, this is metallic frame, and this one is knurling, and this one is ratchet. We move this one, that is ratchet, we call it as ratchet, right? Now I am going to measure something. Before we measure, let us show you the different things in this. In micrometer screw gauge, first of all, what we say it as micrometer screw, or sometimes we call it as screw gauge. First of all, you have to find the least count. Least count is can be defined as pitch divided by number of divisions on circular scale reading. What is pitch? Pitch is when I rotate this one. You see here, when I rotate one full rotation, that is 100 degrees from 0 to 100, it goes one. You see here, I am rotating this one from 0 to 100, 0 to 100. So, you see this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, right. It either goes one is one linear scale of one small part, that is 1 millimeter. That is either it goes forward by 1 millimeter or it either goes back by 1 millimeter, and that is the pitch of this screw gauge or micrometer. If it is a screw pitch, if it is a pitch, then we can say it least count equal to pitch divided by number of divisions on circular scale reading. You see here, the pitch is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter, what is that pitch? Pitch distance is spindle moves forward in one full rotation of thimble, that is 1 millimeter, and it is 0.1 centimeter. And you can see here that least count is equal to pitch divided by number of division on circular scale reading. And you can see what is the pitch? 1 millimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. It is 0.1 centimeter divided by 100, that is 0.001 centimeter is the least count. Now we will find the pitch. Pitch means distance spindle moves forward in one full rotation of thimble, that is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Now I will find how to measure the diameter of this pen. Suppose I want to measure the diameter of this pen. The diameter, the pen is uniform. All the you can see here the pen is uniform from here to here. We will measure three distance, right? How to measure? You see here how to measure, that I am going to show you. First I will measure at this point. See here, this point I am measuring. This point I am measuring. Now it's okay. Now we have to see two readings. What are the readings? One reading is on the linear scale reading, and another one is vernier scale reading. You see here in the linear scale reading we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are getting 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter means 0.9 centimeter, right? And the vernier scale, you can see that it coincides with the number. Here you can see coincides with the number 60. Therefore, it is 60, and into least count, what is the formula? Formula is main scale reading plus circular scale reading plus into least count. That is, main scale reading is 0.9 plus 60 into 0.001 centimeter. That is 0.9 plus, if we multiply this one, we are getting 0.060 centimeter, and if we add it, 0.960 centimeter. We have measured this one, right? And if we measure in the middle, let us find what is the reading at the middle. If we are measuring at the middle, we are changing the position, right? And we will take three readings. After that, we will take the average. You see here, again we are taking the reading. First, you take the main scale reading, you are getting 9, right? 9 means 0.9 millimeter means 0.9 centimeter. And what is the number of divisions? You can find here that the number of divisions is, here in this case is 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 64, right? Therefore, it is 0.9 plus 64 into 0.00. You see here, that is 0.9 into 64 into 0.001 centimeter. And that is 0.9 plus 0.064 centimeter, that is 0.964 centimeter. This is the second reading. Now, if you want to find the third reading, we will change the position of this one. The position is we are changing, and let us take what is the reading now. You can see the first, the main scale reading is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Main scale reading is 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter means 0.9 centimeter. And what is the vernier scale reading? You can see the vernier scale reading is 70, right? You can see here that is 70. That means you have to multiply 70 with the least count 0.001 centimeter, that is 0.9 plus 0.070 centimeter, that is 0.970 centimeter. If you add all these three, 1, 2, 3, we are getting 2.894 centimeter, right? And if we take the average means number of readings divided by number of observation 1, 2, 3 divided by 3. So the average reading is 2.894 centimeter divided by 3, and we are getting 2.964666 or recurring centimeter. Now you take it as average, as rounding off 0.9646. 6 is greater than 5, therefore it will be 0.965 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of the pen, exact diameter of the pen is 0.965 centimeter, and that is the reading with the help of this micrometer, or what you can say it as screw gauge. Now you can see that we want to know more about what is that micrometer or screw gauge. Actually, a micrometer is an instrument used for making precise linear measurement of dimensions such as diameter, thickness and length of solid bodies. It is made of a C-set frame with a movable jaw operated by an integral screw. The fineness of the measurement depends on the lead of the screw, while the accuracy of the measurement depends on the accuracy of the screw nut combination. It is often understood with the micrometer, the standard unit of length measurement, misunderstood with the micrometer, that is the standard unit of length measurement. Actually, another common use used for a micrometer is micrometer caliper due to its similar appearance to the caliper. And we have already defined the various parts of the micrometer, that is frame, anvil, barrel, screw, spindle and ratchet stop. We have already discussed the various parts of this micrometer screw. Again, you can see here the various parts, as this is the metal frame, this is the anvil part, this is spindle, this is the linear scale, this is circular scale. In circular scale there are 100 divisions. You can say this is the knurling and this is the ratchet stop. This is the ratchet stop, and I have shown you how to measure with the help of this micrometer or screw gauge. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you.